If I were a boy.
¿Qué podríais ser de mayor?
Científicas. Bailarines. Futbolistas. Cocineros.
¿Qué podríais ser de mayores?
Científicos. Bailarinas. Futbolistas. Cocineras.
Enfócate en los objetivos favoritos.
They stick up for me. If I were
Bandera, por favor, ponte.
I think I could understand
Muchas gracias.
how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. I listen to her 'cause I know how it hurts when you lose the one you wanted, 'cause he's taking you for granted and everything you had got destroyed. If I were a boy, I would turn off my phone, tell everyone it's
¿Qué? Corre, Diego, levántate.
first and make the rules as I go. 'Cause I know that she'd be faithful, waiting for me to come home, If I were a boy, I think I could understand. Oh, how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. 'Cause I know how it hurts. Just taking you for granted, everything you had got destroyed.
No, no jugué.
You to come back, say it's just a mistake. Think I forgive you like that. If you thought I would wait for you, you thought wrong. You're just a boy. You don't understand. You don't understand. Oh,
Si es tiembla extraña la primera situación,
La violencia no es física, por tomar mejores mayores.
la violencia viene por comenzar en situacions quotidianes.
Acabar amb els traumatismes és cosa teua.
and everything you had got destroyed. But you're just a boy.